Join me as I hunt down the craziest motorcycle gear out there and put it to the ultimate test. The world of motorcycle gear has come a long way in recent years, with innovation transforming safety and comfort for riders. From helmets to gloves, jackets to boots, every piece of gear has been reimagined to make riding more enjoyable and secure. Motorcyclists face a host of challenges every time they hit the road. Safety is always top of mind, with the risk of accidents and injuries looming large. But comfort is also a major concern, as riders need to be able to focus on the road without distractions from sore backs or numb hands. And then there's visibility. How do riders make themselves seen to other traffic without compromising their own safety? Traditional gear has its limitations, and that's why we need to think outside the box. Take safety, for example. We know that helmets are essential, but even the best helmets can't compensate for human error. That's why some manufacturers are incorporating advanced technology like collision detection and emergency alerts into their helmets. It's like having a guardian angel watching over you as you ride. Another challenge is comfort. We've all been there, stuck in traffic, sweating bullets under our leathers, wishing we could just magic ourselves to the nearest cafe for a cold drink. Well, what if I told you there are jackets out there that can actually keep you cool in the summer and warm in the winter? It's like having your own personal climate control system built into your gear. Visibility is also a major issue. We've all seen those riders who look like they're wearing a full-body neon sign, but even that's not always enough. That's why some gear incorporates reflective materials and high-visibility strips to make riders more conspicuous on the road. It's like having your own personal spotlight shining down on you. And then, there are the truly innovative solutions that blow all these challenges out of the water. Take, for example, the airbag vest that deploys in milliseconds in the event of an accident, providing an extra layer of protection above and beyond what a helmet can offer. Or the gloves that include built-in suspension to reduce vibration and absorb shock, giving riders more control over their bikes. This is the kind of gear that redefines what we thought was possible on two wheels. But the most astonishing piece of motorcycle gear out there has to be the smart helmet that includes augmented reality displays, voice commands, and even facial recognition. It's like having your own personal co-pilot built into your helmet, providing real-time navigation and safety alerts. This is the future of motorcycling, folks, and it's arrived sooner than you think. When you take a step back and look at all the incredible innovations in motorcycle gear, it's clear that riders have never had more options to stay safe, comfortable, and visible on the road. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's never been a better time to upgrade your gear and take your riding to the next level. So which piece of gear surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more exciting content like this, be sure to check out my other videos on motorcycle gear and technology. Super at Quachmoto.